Hello everyone, welcome to Lamina Nails. In this video, I'll be doing another collab with the Magical Sisters Beauty collab. It includes Alex, who's Alexandra Roberts, and Christine, who's Mountain Witch Christine. They'll both be doing some makeup looks, so please be sure to check out their channels. Their links will be in the description box. This week's theme is Disney inspired. I decided to go with something that's a little more wearable, like every day. I don't think it screams what it is, but it still has that like air of it. I'm going with the Little Mermaid, and it's just going to be one accent nail that's more Ursula inspired, and then the other ones have that ocean feel to them. I've already painted all my nails with a base coat of Born Pretty's Jelly Nude in JN01, which is more of like a white see-through polish. And now I'm going in with Beetles Gel Polish in 205, which is one of their blacks. This is not their blackest black. There is one that's a little darker, but this one does require 2 coats, and each coat will go into lamp for 30 seconds. This is what I mean by like it's Little Mermaid inspired, but it doesn't scream Disney. It doesn't scream Little Mermaid. It's just got that like sort of aura about it, but it doesn't really have a strong, unwearable energy to it. So just that accent nail when it comes to Ursula, and then the others are going to be pretty simple. So that's the first coat, and you can see it's pretty see-through at this stage. And then the second coat is going on to add a little more depth to it. Make sure you can't see through it. So you will need either a base coat or that jelly nude polish, something on the other nails, so that the powders that I'm about to use will have something to grip onto. So first one I'm going in with is this Color Shift powder. It's a blue. It has sort of a light yellow hue to it at certain angles. I don't know why I tried to use the little sponge applicator. I'm not very good at using that, and I tried, but it wasn't the easiest. So I will say on this middle finger, you can see that I didn't apply the base coat evenly, so it didn't pick up on the right side of my middle nail. There's like a sort of rough spot. But I go over all of the nails with this, just rub it in, make sure that it's on there. And I always wait until the end to wipe off everything, just because that's easier. So all 4 of the play nails got this. And then I have this purple blue powder that I put over the accent nail. I felt like this was very Ursula looking. So I mixed some of Born Pretty's gel polish in BP50, which is already a jelly blue, but with some of the Beetles gel polish base just to make it a little more translucent, and I'm applying it to the ends of those lighter nails. And for the next step, you can use a sponge applicator, but I just go in with my finger and keep a wipe next to me with some alcohol on it so that I can clean it off. But I'm just going to blend that out, sort of like make a little gradient so that it blends into the top, to make it look like it's going from the, light waters to the depths. And that goes into lamp for 30 seconds. And I'm going over everything with base gel, base coat. For this one, you really didn't need to go over everything, but you can sort of see where I messed up there. But for the ring finger, I do apply another chrome on it, so I will need to apply that base gel. And then that goes into lamp for 30 seconds. And then I have this last Color Shift powder, which looks red, but it's a purple that turns into a blue. So I put that at the bottom of the Ursula nail. And then once again, I applied a base gel over that one nail. And then I'm using these iridescent nail art bubbles to make it look like bubbles in the water. I've never gotten to use these, and I've wanted to use them for a while, but I haven't had nails that sort of like, called for these. So they do sort of fly all over the place. I tried to make it so they didn't, but I'm pretty sure I left in a few clips where they're just really, you know, not responding well to me. But those get placed on that base gel. And if you don't have these, then you can just apply that iridescent color onto the nail over that base gel, then put on some builder gel in little bubbles on top of that, and then use some isopropyl alcohol to wipe off the powder, and you won't be able to see anything outside of those little bubbles you formed. So this all gets a top coat and it's done. I did try that on another nail and it came out really fine. It was actually very cute with just the chrome underneath the little bubbles with the builder gel. So if you don't have those bubbles, that's a great alternative. This does go into the lamp for a full minute, just to make sure it's extra cured, and I did go over the entirety of those little bubbles just to make sure that they're like locked into place. And then here I am cleaning up just so you see it with some isopropyl alcohol and a cotton wipe, and that is the finished look. All that rub-on stuff comes off immediately when you wipe it off with the little cotton wipes. So please be sure to check out the other two in the collab, Alexandra Roberts as well as Man and Witch Christine. Their channels are in the description box. As always, they come up with really great designs. I do hope you like this one. It's more like wearable but sort of eccentric look. So please have a wonderful week. Oh, I did turn on the light so you can sort of see that reflect. But bye.